For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Number 3.
The Life Expandable Suitcase 3-piece set is designed for durability and convenience, featuring a strong ABS plus PC hard shell that resists scratches and impacts. The textured finish keeps the luggage looking new, while the beveled edge design enhances toughness. The set includes 3 sizes, 20-inch, 24-inch, and expandable 28-inch, offering flexibility for different travel needs. The TSA-approved lock ensures security, allowing TSA agents to inspect luggage without causing damage. For smooth maneuverability, the suitcase set comes with 360-degree spinner wheels that provide quiet, effortless movement in any direction. The 3-level pure aluminum telescoping handle is more stable and durable than standard handles, ensuring easy navigation in tight spaces. Whether traveling for business, personal, or long vacations, the lightweight yet sturdy construction makes handling stress-free. This luggage set integrates advanced patented technologies for a streamlined design that enhances functionality. The expandable 28-inch suitcase increases space by 15%, making it ideal for longer trips. With a 2-year worldwide warranty, travelers can rely on the Life luggage set for secure, smooth, and hassle-free journeys.
Number 2.
Tanzanite Freeform 21-inch hardside carry-on luggage is designed for hassle-free travel, meeting most airline cabin size restrictions with its 21.25-inch by 15.25-inch by 10.0-inch dimensions. The hard shell exterior is scratch-resistant, ensuring durability while keeping belongings safe. Inside, the spacious 19.5-inch by 14.5-inch by 10.0-inch compartment offers elastic straps, a divider, and a pouch to keep items organized and secure during transit. Designed for smooth mobility, this lightweight 6.5 pounds carry-on features 4 oversized, multidirectional spinner wheels, allowing easy movement in any direction. Security is also a priority with the TSA-approved built-in combination lock, ensuring a worry-free journey without the need for keys. Additionally, the suitcase is expandable, offering extra space when needed, making it perfect for short or long trips. Durability is key, and it backs this hard-shell carry-on with a 10-year warranty, proving its long-term reliability. The suitcase is rigorously tested to withstand travel demands, ensuring lasting performance. Whether for business or leisure, the Freeform carry-on delivers convenience, security, and ease of travel, making it an excellent choice for frequent flyers.
Number 1.
When it comes to reliable travel companions, the Shoku luggage set stands out with its durability, functionality, and thoughtful design. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning your next vacation, this set provides the right combination of strength and convenience to ensure a smooth journey. Lightweight construction. The Shoku luggage set is crafted from extra-thick PC plus ABS materials, offering a perfect balance between durability and lightweight convenience. The hard-shell exterior ensures impact resistance while remaining easy to carry. To maintain its sleek appearance, the textured finish helps prevent scratches, keeping your luggage looking new even after multiple trips. Effortless maneuverability. Traveling through airports and crowded spaces is seamless with silent and smooth 360 degrees multidirectional spinner wheels. These wheels, equipped with soft TPU and lubricating balls, glide effortlessly over various surfaces. Tested rigorously, this luggage has successfully passed a 100% drop test and a walking test that simulates real-world travel conditions, carrying 15 kilograms for 40 kilometers at 10 kilometers per hour. Adjustable and sturdy handle system. The 3-step telescoping handle, made from sturdy aluminum, provides a comfortable grip and easy maneuverability. Whether you're navigating through tight airport spaces or rolling your luggage over bumpy terrain, this ergonomic handle ensures smooth ups and downs. Smart interior organization. Packing is more efficient with the full-zip interior divider and cross straps, helping to keep items organized during transit. The handsome slider and square design maximizes storage space, while the small interior pouch provides a convenient spot for essentials like toothbrushes, wallets, or makeup. Compact and convenient nesting storage. The Shoko luggage set is designed for easy storage when not in use. The 20-inch and 24-inch suitcases nest inside the 28-inch suitcase, allowing for compact storage in a single box. Why choose Shoko luggage? Durable PC plus ABS hardshell construction for long-term use. Scratch-resistant textured finish to maintain a fresh look. Expandable 24-inch and 28-inch suitcases for more packing space. Smooth 360-degree spinner wheels for effortless mobility. Reinforced handles to prevent cracking. Side-mounted TSA lock for enhanced security. Full-zip interior divider and cross straps for better organization. Compact nesting design for convenient storage. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, the Shoko luggage set in army green is a smart investment that combines style, durability, and practicality. With its advanced features and robust build, it ensures a hassle-free travel experience every time.